Interpersonal connection is essential for emotional and social well-being. Fortunately, science has provided valuable insights on how to improve our relationships and make a positive impression on others. In this article, we will explore 10 scientifically proven tips that will help you earn people's approval based on studies and research in social psychology. 1. Use people's names. Research has shown that simply remembering and using someone's name increases the perception of connection and likability. Learning and recalling the names of the people you interact with creates a more personalized and positive experience. 2. Show genuine interest. Empathy is key to winning people over. Demonstrate authentic interest in what others say and feel. Research suggests that people feel more valued and connected when they sense someone cares about their experiences and emotions. 3. Smile sincerely. A smile is a powerful indicator of kindness and openness. Studies have shown that smiling sincerely not only makes you appear more attractive, but also elicits a positive response from those around you. A genuine smile conveys confidence and goodwill. 4. Find commonalities. Similarity creates stronger bonds. Seek and highlight common interests or experiences when conversing with others. Research suggests that the perception of similarity can strengthen emotional connection and improve attitudes toward others. 5. Practice active listening. Active listening is a key component of successful interactions. Pay attention to what the other person is saying, ask clarifying questions, and reflect their emotions. This skill not only strengthens bonds, but also fosters more effective communication. 6. Do small favors. The reciprocity theory suggests that people tend to return favors. Performing small, selfless gestures creates an atmosphere of trust and gratitude, laying a solid foundation for positive relationships. 7. Maintain appropriate eye contact. Proper eye contact is essential for establishing a connection. Studies indicate that moderate eye contact conveys trust and sincerity. Avoid intense stares, but do not neglect this vital aspect of non-verbal communication. 8. Harness the power of touch. Appropriate physical contact can strengthen relationships. A firm handshake or a light touch on the arm during a conversation can enhance the sense of connection and affection. 9. Be authentic and transparent. Authenticity is fundamental to building trust. Display your true personality and share genuine experiences. Research suggests that people are more likely to like those who are authentic and transparent. 10. Offer sincere praise. Sincere compliments can strengthen relationships and improve self-perception. Ensure that compliments are specific and authentic, as insincerity can have the opposite effect. Conclusion. Winning people's approval is not a mysterious art. It has scientifically grounded principles backed by social psychology. Incorporating these tips into your daily life can significantly enhance your interpersonal relationships. By using people's names, showing genuine interest, smiling sincerely, finding commonalities, and applying the rest of these principles, you will be building stronger and lasting connections. Science provides the tools, but authenticity and consistent application are the keys to earning the approval of others. Hey friends, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings!